Why UCSB? Our institute is primarily based on science, engineering, and policy. And the science and engineering at UCSB in this area is actually extremely strong. Only recently, the National Research Council of the U.S. National Academy of Sciences did a major review of all graduate academic programs in the United States. UCSB came out in the top half dozen in every field of importance in engineering. And in one field, for example, in materials science, it was the first in the country. Materials is enormously important to us because it's the underlying foundation of everything we do in terms of developing new renewable energy sources, in terms of making more efficient devices and systems for applications to energy. So UCSB is really the place for such an institute.
Efficiency. Even alternative forms of energy leave their footprint in our environment. We are developing science and technologies that can save more energy over the next 10 years than alternative forms can deliver.
Demand for energy is growing with the world's population, and most of that population is striving for the standard of living that we have. There's an urgency to this problem. We need to start working on things where one can get gains now.
What we have here is a 150 lumen per watt white LED light source, which is very efficient. In fact, it's so efficient, it's 10 times more efficient than incandescent light bulbs, or 3 times more efficient than compact fluorescent light bulbs.
An HVAC system like this is very inefficient. It takes up a lot of power. Here at UCSB, at the Institute for Energy Efficiency, we can do much better.
The Institute plays a very important role in transferring the research out of the laboratory and into the marketplace. This is a very important part of what we do. UCSB actually is quite good at this. We have a very good track record of moving research from the laboratory into the marketplace through startups, through partnerships with industry. The Institute facilitates this process first by having partnerships, very close partnerships with industry. We have numerous leading industries in the area of energy, such as Southern California Edison, the United Technologies Corporation, for example, which has a major interest in the building efficiency topic. And through those partnerships, we make the research available and accessible to our partners in industry who can then take it and develop products and move it into the marketplace. We also have close ties with both venture capital firms and also with legal firms that specialize in intellectual property and transfer. We work with them to help our fledgling startup companies get set up, take the research that's coming out of the laboratory and move it into the marketplace.